how to use Square Website Builder for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Square's website builder. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now I just want to say that Square doesn't basically have a website builder option in their website, but they have acquired Weebly. So basically Weebly is now affiliated with Square, and you can create a website on Weebly and sync it with your Square account. So pretty much that's how it works. So I mean, if you come over to the Square website and you wanted to create a website for yourself, what you will need to do is just simply scroll down at the bottom, and over here you will find an online store option underneath more tools. You click on that option, it's going to take you over here onto this page where you just simply start for free, right? You sign up, but it doesn't actually take you to the website builder. It just keeps you, looping. So basically, once you've signed up, you'll go back to your dashboard, and then when you scroll down and you click on the website builder tool, it'll take you back over here onto this page. So you can't actually create a website on Square, but in order to do that, you're going to have to come over to weebly.com and create a website over here, and then you can connect it to Square Up. So let's get started. So over here, what you're going to do is just simply log in or sign up. It all depends on you. I'm going to go ahead and sign up. And the process is going to be very easy. You can sign up with your Square account or, your Google account or wherever. And once you've done that, you are good to go. But since I've created an account, so I'm just simply going to go ahead and log in. And you can log in with your Facebook or Google or Square account. It all depends on you. I'm going to go ahead and log in with Google. I'll catch you guys in a second. So when you first sign up, this is how it's going to look like, right? What kind of website are you trying to create? They're going to ask you this question. So I just need a website with an online store. Then they're going to give you a bunch of other questions, or if you just need a website, you can go with this one as well. So it all depends on you. So let's say we need a website with an online store, so we'll click on that option. Then over here they're going to ask us what is the name of the store. So over here I'm just going to call it ZE, and then are you currently sending anywhere else or any items? Not yet. No problem. When are you planning to start? About in 3 months or so. Then we'll say we want clothing and stores, and we can choose many different options over here. So we'll say clothing and shoes, and I think that's about it. We just want to choose that. You can choose other options as well. It all depends on you. Then you just got to click on continue, then enter in your address. If you want, you can skip it as well. It all depends on you. And then just give it a couple of seconds for it to be properly set up. And then once you have done that, this is how it's going to look like. So over here you're going to have your checklist. So you got to set up your online business by completing these 7 checklists. So first you got to design your website, add an item, set up your domain, connect a payment gate, and set up shipping rates and all of that. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to click on design now. And over here, it's going to take us over to the website builder tool in just a second. So this is how it's going to look like. You're going to store is going to be over here. Now you got to edit this out. So over here on the left side, you have your main options. You have your logo, you have your colors, you have your fonts and all of that. So you got to add in your logo. But if you don't have a logo and you want to create one, what you can do is you can go over to Canva. You can, get your own logos or art styles or wallpapers, whatever you want. You can go ahead and create it for free. It all depends on you. So I'm just going to quickly set this up. All right, maybe later. Now we're good to go. So I want a logo, so I'll click on logos over here, and it's gonna pop up over here. So we can go with this one as well. I think this looks pretty cool. So what you can do is we can go with this one, and instead of over here, I'll just say, yeah, I think that looks good. So what we can do now is we can go ahead and download this logo, and then we'll just simply upload it. So I'm gonna add the image over here. So this is the logo right here. I'm gonna open it up, and I'm just simply gonna wait for it to load, and then I'm gonna click on done. So we have our logo, as you can see over there. We'll click on next. We'll just choose our main color. So over here you can choose your main color. You can set it to purple, blue, or dark blue, red even. It all depends on you. I'm gonna go with the blue color. Yeah, I think that looks good. Then you can choose with a black theme, with a blue aesthetics, or with the blue background with white with all blue, or white with black and blue. So it all depends on you. I think this looks much better, so we're gonna stick with that, and then we'll click on next. Then we want fonts over here. We can choose whichever fonts we want. So I think this looks nice, so we'll click on next. Then we have the pill option over here, the button. So I wanted pill. pink pills looks good, and then we'll click on done. And then we have to set up our domain. So over here you can enter in your domain name, or if you already own a domain elsewhere, you can add that over here and then verify it. And then you can use the Weebly domain. So I'm going to choose the Weebly domain. So there we go. So it's going to be http://ze.weeblysites.com, or ze1232, and then we are good to go. And then once that's done, we are good to go. Then we can go ahead and publish this out. So now that we have, designed our website, now we can go ahead and, edit it out. So we have our header option right here. We have our main banner, email, newsletter, footer, or branding as well. And then we have other section as well. We can add more sections by just simply dragging and dropping them. But for now, we're going to edit this out. So we have our header, as you can see over here. Our main logo is over here. Navigation buttons are over here. We can add some more buttons if we want, like click here to edit, or we can have like icons as well. But I think that looks good. Yeah, nothing too serious. We can customize it later as well. But now we're going to go ahead and edit the main banner. Over here, you can add like a background image as well. So we're going to click on images. We're going to go to free photos and find like a free image from Splash. So you can choose a free image from over here that could look good. So like this image will look cool. I think that looks nice. Now I don't want this one. I want it transparent. So we'll go into, customize option at here, and then in layouts, we can find some different layouts. So we can choose how we want. So something like this would look nice, or, you want it completely different like this one. This one also looks good. So something like that, actually. Yeah. And then you can go ahead and change this tagline to whatever you want, and you can change this button to whatever you want as well. It all depends on you. So once you've done that, just simply click on done, and you can go ahead and edit the newsletter as well, or footer, or banner. And if you wanted to add more sections, let's say like a gallery to showcase all of your product. Now, if you want to add like another section to like a gallery to showcase all of your product, just simply click on add sections over here, and you will see all of the options. So over here we have image gallery option. What we'll do is we'll just simply, so then we have our image gallery over here. We'll just simply choose that, click on that, automatically drop here. Then we can choose what type of gallery we want. So over here we can see we have some distinct, different types of layouts. We can go with this one or this one, and generally I think this one looks good since it is an image product. So we'll go with that one. And then what we can do is click on add. Then we just simply choose images. So over here we'll click on clothes. Now if you already have your own image, you can upload them over here, but if you so then they can be shown over here. But since I don't have any, I'm just simply gonna go with the free images right here, just to show you how it's gonna look like. So I think this would look nice. And I would say this one, this one, this one, maybe this one as well. Actually, let me just uncheck this one, because since we're going with this theme right here, I don't want any male or persons, showcasing their product. So I'll just choose that. Maybe or maybe I would like to have them. So just choose the images that you want to be, shown on your page over here, and we can move on. So I'll say this jacket looks cool. I'll add that, and maybe this one as well. I think that looks cool. Yeah, I think most of it are done. So once you've selected all of your images and your, products, then just simply click on done, and it'll be shown right over here. So as you can see, all the images are going to be popped up over here, and you can see all of your images. So maybe like one more image to, even it out. So let me just add one more image. Yeah, I think that's done. So as you can see, we have another image right here. It's loading up. So as you can see, pretty simple, right? Now, if you wanted to maybe like remove a section, just simply click on that section, and you will see the delete section over here on the left corner. Simply click on that, and that section will be deleted. So I think this looks good. And once you've set up your website, just simply click on the publish button over here, and you are good to go. So I'm going to be choosing my own domain. So it has been published. We are good to go. So then we can just exit the editor, and we can go back. So pretty much that's it. Next, what you can do is you can add an item. So simply click on add item over here. And over here, you will see all of your site items. So you can just simply quickly import items from other stores if you want, or you can just simply create your own item over here. Just simply drag and drop your image of your item right here. Add in the name, the pricing, and all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll catch you guys in a second, and I'll show you how it looks like. So over here I added this item. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a bunch of different more items. So I basically had like some items on my Shopify store right here. So I'm basically exported the CSV file right here, and I'm uploading it over here to see how it looks like. And over here you can see we have all these different items. So we can go with, just simply click on import, and all of our items will be imported. So just simply gonna wait for it to be imported. I'll catch you guys in a second. So over here, as you can see, your products are going to be uploaded over here. And then in order to sell these products, you just got to upgrade your account to sell them. So pretty much that's it. That's all the things you need to know about. Then you just simply have to enter in your credit card details or your payment details. As you can see over here, for each country is going to be different. So including shipping rates and taxes and all of that is going to be different for you. So just simply click on the button and you can just simply add in your payment method like a PayPal or Payoneer or Payeer, whatever it is that you use. So pretty much that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.